Persons who wish to cushion themselves from volatility in the Securities Exchange now have an additional avenue through which they can participate in the Nairobi Securities Exchange derivatives market. This follows the decision by the Capital Markets Authority to grant EGM Securities approval as Kenya's first online trading broker to offer NSE derivatives, creating a new avenue through which investors can participate in the derivatives market, whose monthly turnover averages 15.6 million shillings. Alex Mwangi has the details.
Despite its pompous and much anticipated launch in July 2019, the derivatives market has not elicited as much investor appetite as was anticipated, with institutional investors remaining cautious about participation in the segment. Market players now hope that the accelerated onboarding process promised by online brokerage will help unlock investor activity in the derivatives market, which offers 6 securities, including 2 index futures.
The new NSE derivatives offering will provide investors with onboarding process that will allow traders to onboard in less than 5 minutes, rather than an average 2 to 3 working days to process that is happening currently with the investors.
The strategy adopted by EGM Securities is, to begin with, a focus on the stock futures where liquidity has been relatively high. In the period between January and March 2021, single stock futures accounted for 68% of turnover in the derivatives market.
Initially, we are looking to introduce futures on the 6 most traded stocks. That is the British American Tobacco, Kenya, the KCB Group, Equity Group Holdings, the Popular Safaricom PLC, the East African Breweries PLC, and the Absa Kenya Bank, as well as the NSE index. The benefits of trading on the Nairobi Securities derivatives market include the ability to short sell and also lower costs. We are looking at very, very, very low costs. 0.14% for each leg is unprecedented.
The NSE hopes that EGM Securities will enable it to tap into institutional investors for the nascent derivatives market.
To date, a lot of our investors have an exposure on the spot market because it's a one-directional market. So when prices are going up, they're going up. When they're going down, you're losing value. So we needed to bring on board an asset class that has got a two-directional play. And that's why the derivatives came through.
The NSE's derivatives market, known as Next, is now comprised of 12 accredited trading members, with 8 of them being live. EGM Securities was admitted as a trading member of Next on the NSE on October 15th last year. Alex Mwangi, NTV.